If you're a filmmaker, you are a video editor, or you're a freelancer and you want to move to Dubai, then this is the right video for you. My name is Noah and I moved to Dubai approximately 3.5 years ago, and I give you all the mistakes I made. I give you the step-by-step guide what you should consider stepping into Dubai or moving to Dubai the right way. The first and the most important thing is you should have a consistent business. So you should know how to close or to attract high-paying clients. When this is given, perfect. When not, there's a free video down below how I teach how to get to $10,000 per month as a freelancer, as a video editor, as a filmmaker. So just consider this one after this video, but let's get straight into this video. So the first question is, how should you set up your business? The most important thing you should consider is open a company either in Dubai, but if you want to pay 0% tax, there's another option, which is opening a company in the US. If you have more questions, again, first link in the description. Coming to the next step, which is where do you live? And there are many options you should consider maybe for yourself. Maybe you come here for a couple of weeks to understand, okay, how is Marina? How is downtown? How is Business Bay? Or how are different places here in Dubai? I'm feeling quite comfortable right now in Business Bay. You can see the whole skyline here. We have a bay here. There's a canal, and just across is immediately downtown. And I love especially this building because we have an outdoor gym, we have an indoor gym, we have a pool, we have two saunas actually, and this sky roof terrace. So how much do you need to consider to have an apartment in such a building? So I pay 70,000 dirhams per year, and then there on top coming some utility bills such as electricity, air conditioner, which you pay separate, and also gas, which you pay separate. So per month you're paying approximately 1,500 euros. So a very important thing to share, which I would love to hear before I move to Dubai, is how to set up your routines. What do I mean by that? Dubai gives me the whole freedom to order anything I want 24/7 and very good and healthy food. On the other hand, I don't need to drive towards any gym. I have my gym in my building, I have my pool in my building, and I have my sauna in my building, which is a time glitch, literally. So when you're looking to build your business, you want to move to Dubai and you want to scale your business and be focused, then a building such as this one is literally the heaven spot, because I just drive with the elevator down, I'm in the gym, and then I literally just go up again and go under a shower. Then I order food. Another point I get asked a lot, how to get high-paying clients in Dubai actually. So I'm pretty good in offline closing. So we had a co-working space here in Dubai, and every business who needed my service, who had the budget, and where I could build up so much tension so they understood they need my service, I closed them. So literally in this co-working space, I made thousands of dollars just because I understood where to position myself, to which business owners I can talk at the moment face by face. I can reach them, I have access to them, I can drink a coffee with them, and I just close them. So again, first link in the description describes exactly what I'm doing and how I'm doing it and how I could make $10,000 per month. Look out for co-working spaces which are good, which are high premium. You'll find business owners. Then you just need to understand what to say, how to ask questions, and how to build tension to actually close these clients on a $4,000 per month deal. So what changed actually when I moved to Dubai, and what I could have missed out when I didn't move to Dubai? So Dubai is much faster, meaning that you always have contact, or you're in direct collaboration with high mindset people, which obviously make also a lot of money, but have the high mindset. Probably you know the sentence, the 5 friends you hang around with, you becoming the 6th version out of it. So this is actually the thing which is happening here in Dubai, and which you can just profit out of it, because you automatically have access to those people, or you're surrounded by them. You see the cars, you see how they live, you see how they eat, you see how they dress. And these are very important things when it comes towards yourself, when you want yourself to leverage. And this actually helped me as well a lot. Yes, you see the luxury. Yes, you see this terrace where I can just enjoy and record this video. But I worked my ass off to do this. I worked my ass off to now fly tomorrow towards Germany again, or I came yesterday back from Saint-Tropez and I have clients which pay for my flights, which pay for the hotels when we're staying there, and we had an amazing time. I have friends now which live in Saint-Tropez with an amazing villa, but all of this just could happen because I became a high performer. I became a high earning person, and this just happened because I took the right steps. So when you don't make that much money, your thinking and your actions actually are the things which are correlated towards your income which you make per month. Because let's be honest, when you would know how to make $10,000 per month, you would do $10,000 per month. So why did I even move towards Dubai? I saw all these high performers. I saw all of these people moving towards Dubai, and honestly I had kind of a fear of missing out. And when I moved to Dubai, then I understood what it means to move to Dubai, to be in Dubai, to be a high performer. Because at the beginning I needed to change my whole mindset. Everything needed to change because I didn't make the income I made because of the patterns, because I did not the right things, because I was thinking how I was thinking, because I believed in the things which were correlated how much money I would make per month. So I needed to step away from all of this. I needed to move back. I needed to program my whole mindset in a new way to think much bigger, to actually make much more money. So at the beginning I was a low paid video editor, filmmaker, making like what, 2.5k, $3,000 per month, and I couldn't move out of the state because I didn't have the mindset. I didn't make a shift. I was kind of, I wouldn't say I was lazy, but I didn't do these things to make $10,000 per month. But then I made the switch, literally, and everything was free. I could make $10,000 per month. I could move into the apartment which I'm right now in. Now I can fly around the world. I have clients which pay me between $2,000 and $4,000 per month. I have contracts for 6 months. 2 months ago, I just closed a $20,000 deal. All of this just happened because I put the time in, and I learned from people which are far beyond than I am. And all of this knowledge we give away also in creator scale, in editor scale. So just take a look at the first link in the description where I literally give away for free how to get to $10,000 per month. So what would I do differently today when I would move to Dubai again? First of all, I would have a mentor and learn to make a lot of money because it's much easier to move to Dubai then. Then I would move into a very nice place such as this one. Don't spend too much money, but just be in a place where you feel amazing, where you have a gym, where you have a sauna, where you have a pool, and just build your routines and build the right life. Then I would surround myself with even better people to upskill yourself even more and scale even beyond that. And then I would just take a look to just be in the state and just to elevate yourself further and further. Dubai was a game changer for me, so it completely leveraged my life. It literally changed my life. So when you're literally watching this video, I'm talking to you. Do the step. Do these things which I just told you in this video, because I'm completely honest, it will change your whole life when you take the decision. So again, if you want to step away from a low paying job and you want to earn high ticket as a freelancer, filmmaker, or video editor, then again, check the first link in the description and maybe we will see each other in Dubai.